everyone, welcome back to another video. Today is actually a bank holiday here in Ireland, so I'm not working, and I wasn't going to come and do a painting today, but then after yesterday's painting, which is this one, I've actually been up since about 5 o'clock this morning because I've been thinking about this painting, and I decided, no, I need to come and do another one, but I'm going to be doing a bigger one. It is just so pretty, and I couldn't stop thinking about it. And remember, I said there was paint around the outside of the spinner that was really pretty, and I wanted to do some cabochons. So I did. I dipped some cabochons in the paint around the outside of the canvas, and they're almost dry already because it's quite warm in the caravan, at least. So got some pretty cabochons on the go. They are not 100% dry, but they will dry out. Today they'll be dry. So right, I'm going to get my pencil ready, mixed up and everything, and then we're going to do another one of these, but on a bigger canvas. So let's do that. Hold on a sec, let me get myself ready. Okay, I'm back. So I've got some paper towel to wipe the palette knife off. I'm just putting my gloves on. And for those of you who've ever wondered why I start recording and then put my gloves on, it's because I record my videos on my phone, and once I've got my gloves on, I can't use the touch screen. It doesn't work. So that's why. Right, so got my palette knife, got some paper towel, and then I have mixed up the two blacks which we are going to swipe with. Again, this one is normal paints that I use to do my paws, which is black acrylic paint mixed with Oatrol, Floetrol and water to get it to the right consistency, and then I've added silicone to make cells. This one is Amsterdam Oxide Black mixed only with water, nothing else added to that. Okay, let's get started. These are just normal acrylic paints mixed with Oatrol, Floetrol and water. These are the paints that I use to do my normal paintings, and that is it. Quite a big canvas, so I've got to put quite a bit of paint down here. Anyway, nice bright colors. And the same as the test I did yesterday, I'm going to swipe and then tilt. I think that is best. Maybe I can just scrape this one out. Okay. And come on. that paint is officially finished. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so what I'm now going to do, I'm going to bring you down a little bit, like that. Okay, so we're just going to start. And I'm just going to dip my palette knife into the paints, wipe off the excess, or shake off the excess, and swipe across. Then I'm going to clean my palette knife off, dip it into the Amsterdam paint, shake off the excess, and swipe across. And wipe off the palette knife again. And we're just going to alternate the two swiping paints over the canvas. And the last one. Like that. Okay, so the Amsterdam isn't, sorry, I know the table's bouncing around. The Amsterdam hasn't made as much lacing as it did on yesterday's painting. Now that could be because maybe my paints today are a little bit thicker. I'm not sure, but it's fine. So I am going to hit this with a heat gun. Let me bring you up a little bit, and I want to bring this closer like that. Right, heat gun. Bring you down again. Sorry. Should have done all this before I started the video. Okay. Alright, let's do this with a heat gun. Okay, so that again has brought up the cells with the silicone. I'm a little bit annoyed about the Amsterdam now. I wonder if I should... No, you know what, it is how it is. So, alright, I'm going to bring you up and we're going to tilt this out. So I'm just going to go round in a circle like that. Okay, and let's just go over and back and down and back. Oh wow, it is pretty. Let's go down this side. Come on, over, and our last corner. I hope you can see it. Now, if you see you're running out of paints, you can just take some paint off the table and just wet the corner that you're trying to get it over, and it just helps the paint to flow. It is going. Almost there. And it's over. Wow. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. So now just go around and make sure that paint has gone over all your corners and sides. Again, you can just pick paint up off the table if you need to. Check this side. That looks fine. Yeah. Wow, that is so pretty. The colors are absolutely beautiful. I'm obviously going to bring you down and give you a close-up. I'm just going to take my gloves off. I'm going to take the painting off of the mat that it's on, or the, what is this, Pappy Piddle pad or something. I'm going to take it off there, just put it on the table quickly, and then I'll bring you down for a close-up. Hold on a sec. So here it is. Look at this. Look at those colors. In fact, there's a line that goes down there, and it's got really beautiful blues, pinks, and oranges in all the way down. There's, I mean, I hope you can see the line that I'm looking at, but so colorful, so bright. But all of it, the whole painting is extremely bright and colorful, with the most amazing lacing patterns all over the painting. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. The coloring is really, really cool. Very, very bright colors. Very beautiful lacing. I love it. Absolutely love it. Like I said, when I did the test yesterday, a painting like this, the more you look at it, the more you see. You know, paintings like this that's hanging on your wall, people are going to notice it. They're going to notice it. It is so bright and so pretty and so different and so unique. They will definitely notice it, and they will you know, they will look at it. They will admire it. The colors, the patterns. It's just so, so, so pretty. Really happy with that. So yeah, I wasn't, like I said, going to do a painting today, but I'm very glad I did because it really turned out the way I hoped it would. There we go. So that's it. Okay. I will do another painting probably only on Saturday again, but that's fine. I'll see you then on Saturday. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And please, please, please remember, all paintings created in my channel are available to buy in my Etsy shop. And details to my Etsy shop are down in the description below. Please note, all prices to all my paintings have been drastically reduced, and they include worldwide postage. Okay, so really no better time to buy a painting because of the prices and worldwide postage to you. So go and check them out in my Etsy shop, please. And that's it. I shall see you in the next video, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.